German commercial real estate has gone through a more difficult phase than residential real estate. Following the massive rise in inflation and interest rates in 2022, commercial real estate prices fell by 17%, almost twice as much as residential real estate prices. Commercial real estate had already suffered from the corona outbreak before. However, commercial real estate prices have been recovering since the middle of last year. This is significant insofar as the number of commercial real estate transactions has recently increased. Three factors are responsible for this. First, the halving of the ECB's key interest rates has significantly improved the financing conditions for commercial real estate. In addition, uncertainty about future interest rate developments has decreased significantly. Second, economic uncertainty has also declined. The peak of the tariff conflict clearly lies behind us. In addition, the German government's fiscal package and the ECB's interest rate cuts point to an end to the recession and some growth over the next 2 years. Thirdly, building land remains scarce. This limits the supply of commercial real estate and points to rising rents. However, the various segments of the German commercial real estate markets are not developing at the same pace. Logistic and industrial real estate continues to perform dynamically after coming through the crisis year virtually unsketched. Increased warehousing and the rapid growth of online retail are playing an important role in this. As far as hotel real estate is concerned, this segment, which was severely affected by the pandemic, has almost completely recovered. The number of overnight stays in hotels has climbed back to pre-corona levels. Hoteliers have been able to significantly increase their occupancy rates and thus their margins. Retail real estate is also on the upswing again. Pedestrian zones are once again as busy as they were before the pandemic, but consumer preferences have changed. Medium-sized remote shopping centers without restaurants, etc., are struggling to attract enough customers. Office properties continue to face immense challenges. Offices in peripheral locations, in particular, are feeding the competition from home offices. In contrast, modern offices in city centers are in high demand and are enjoying sharply rising rents. This is especially true for sustainable buildings.